Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the cards, boxes, and bows 2. These are my send it forward style cards. Guys, this one is a really unique card. You are going to love this. And if you don't, then sorry for saying that, but I think you will. This is already pre-packaged. This is what the envelope is. It's actually acetate. So I show you how to create this specific size, a gusseted envelope to fit the card. So the beauty about this is you can put your address, I don't know, card on the back where you put the return address, the recipient's address, and you can put your stamp right here. It's already sized for all of that good stuff. So here's the card. This one is sealed, so I'm not going to open it, but this is the one of the samples that you see right here, and I'll show you the other one. But it's just really darling. So this is what the recipient gets in the mail. I mean, it's just super fun and unique, and I love bringing you guys things like this. So this is, again, what it looks like. Here's a backside before you put your address and you tape it and all that good stuff. So here's your card. Look at how darling. So I attached a few little fun things. Again, send it forward style card so you don't do all of this work for just one person. You can, the recipient can send it forward to another person who may enjoy this card. All right, so this is what I'm calling a sympathy card, right? The colors are perfect, the sentiments are perfect, and it's absolutely perfect for just that little note, that right thing to say, just to let someone know that you're thinking about them. So you pull it like so. I just made a bow there, and you open it up. So the back is just the sack right here. A lot of the paper companies are making these little sacks accompanying their paper collections. I think they're getting into that. I don't think, I know they're kind of crossing over into that party favor mode, but I want to use it for what we all love to do, and that's what I did here, guys. So here's the little card inside, which is absolutely darling. Really simple, guys. I've got an embossed sentiment there, thinking of you. Here's the send it forward style note card right here. This is where you write your note, and this is what you can continue to send forward. There's your send it forward stamp. Really sweet on that. You've got the acetate style pocket here to just so you can see the writing on the back, which will definitely make this card pop once you get that writing on there. There's a shallow pocket there holding the note so that it's not slipping and sliding. It's still very functional. It's not annoying. I sized this to fit pocket cards as well, guys. 3x4 pocket cards. There may be a pocket card that you love, and you know, pocket cards are typically blank on the back. Some are not. If you got a double-sided one, oh well. But you can back it with cardstock if you want to. So if you have a pocket card that would be a perfect sentiment, I size it so you can use the pocket cards in this particular card. So it's just perfect. I love the way it turned out. All right, very simple on the design and the decor. You want, when you're making these style cards right here, you want to make sure that they're nice and flat. You don't want to add too much. You can, because you can fit quite a bit in this little pouch. However, you would have to change the gusset in your envelope. There's plenty of room on a regular 8.5 by 11 style acetate sheet to change the gusset on that if you want to put more heavy embellishments on the inside of the card. I kept mine really simple because that's just my style of crafting. Now you could just make a little loop, a little bow on there and tie it, and that's it, guys. Here is your send it forward card in this really sweet, unique packaging. And this is just a quick sample of one of the other cards. When I make the storage box, I will be sure to share it with you all on YouTube, but I wanted to share this really fun, unique card. I have linked you all down below for the tutorial options that I have for this project. And obviously this envelope is not sealed yet, so you got to kind of finagle it. Once you seal it, then it just opens up here and you retrieve the card from the top. So that's what it looks like, guys. So can you imagine getting this in the mail? How fabulous would that be? And the fact that you can mail this just like this is really wonderful. You just write the address here, or you can actually print them out and just stick your card back here, and that's it. Slap your stamp on them, your stamp on here, and you're done. What I absolutely love about this idea is that you're not just limited to this style of card, of course. Can you imagine the possibilities with this style in a birthday theme, a wedding theme, absolutely anything? How darling would this card be for someone? How special would it be for somebody to receive this in the mail? I love the way it turned out. I hope you all love it. Leave me a comment down below, like this video, show me some love. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.